Sail across Halong's breathtaking bay with the Shore Wonders Luxury Tour from Up Travel Vietnam before we sail. From the pier, take the shuttle bus to Halong International Cruise Station. Enter the yellow terminal building, where your guide will be waiting with a pickup sign showing your name. From there, step aboard the elegant Ambassador Day Cruise, one of Halong's most luxurious vessels. Your first stop is Sung Sot Cave, the largest cave in the bay, where dramatic stalactites create a natural wonderland. Next, ascend Titov Island for sweeping panoramic views or enjoy a refreshing swim in emerald waters. Back on board, the journey continues as you cruise deeper into the bay. Glide into the hidden world of Luon Cave, where calm emerald waters invite you to paddle by kayak or drift gently on a bamboo boat. In the afternoon, relax on deck with live music or join a hands-on cooking class. As the sun begins to set, the experience reaches its highlight. You'll arrive at the majestic Dragon Pearl Cave, a magical venue for an evening of culture and flavor. Be captivated by the live performance, then enjoy a regional dinner served right inside the cave, an unforgettable dining experience like no other. Finally, return to your ship while carrying memories of Halong's wonders. This luxury tour includes exclusive access to the Dragon Pearl Cave performance, a fine dining experience inside the cave, and a seamless round-trip transfer from Halong International Port. Join the Shore Wonders of Halong Luxury Tour with Up Travel Vietnam today.